Well, the shower cap didn't work. Goddamn fate. It doesn't exactly look the most warmest day in the world. It looks kind of there's people swimming in the river. What are you doing out there? It's a good thing I'm not bollock naked, otherwise they would have had a morning's surprise. Well, this is the look I'm gonna go for. It's not a great look. No one said it was. Also, I do not expect today's vlog to be any more cooler than yesterday's. Yesterday's vlog was fucking amazing. I do not actually think I'm going to have such a eventful time as I did yesterday, as I did today. Not to say today won't be good, it just won't be as good. Right, current plan is I'm gonna try and see if I can get a coffee again, and maybe some food. I found Kieran. Hey. He came here on his swag ass penny board. So, I don't know, what are you feeling food wise?
Well, I don't know, I'm not going to buy anything. I've got stuff on me, but I'm just going to drink my drinks. I'm so thirsty.
Alright, wherever you get a drink, I'll be getting some food.
I don't have a drink on me, I'm all prepared, mate.
Oh my god, just because you've got a backpack?
No, because London's expensive.
It is expensive.
Cheap next to me, so I was like, alright, I'll get
it is dead expensive here. But I need the food, so. Right, well, it's 20 minutes to 11. Doors open at 11. We're probably going to get in around 12 because the line is like...
Nah, we're a bit out because everyone's just going to walk in.
Oh,
so
okay.
We're just waddling halfway through.
The queue is ridiculous though. Like, compared to yesterday, this is like fucking ridiculous.
It's about people performing, so like Emma. I reckon it's Luke.
Yeah, that does sound like someone showed up. Aren't you glad that we got in yesterday?
Yeah.
Hello, Melanie. Melanie, how's it? Hello. Morning. This is your friend here. She's come to say hello. Sorry you can't be here, but
you can crack on and plug yourself if you like. Right?
I'm not very good at plugging myself, if I'm honest. Well, I'm Beckie Jane Brown. This is my school. I do lots of painting and things like that, so I've done some prints of everything. So we've got badges, prints, canvases, painted canvases.
See, the luxury you get, man, is because of the creator ticket, we don't have to worry about lines like this. And this queue is still going on. It's like out the door, man. Like, damn.
See, the thing is, but I think actually the creators should also take into consideration how long these fucking people are waiting just to meet them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, because they're going to be taking 2 hours out of their day.
Yeah.
Surely.
Yeah, that's easy to get me into. So keep in mind, when I was in a queue for meeting Tomsco with you guys and everything, that queue took like an hour to get through, and that thing was like only like 9 people long.
I mean, he was taking a lot of time to talk to people, which is fantastic, and which you should do.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, can you imagine waiting that long and then they're just like, yeah, do you want me to sign something?
Yeah, exactly. But the thing is though, it's another point of view. They have to be quick because they've got a lot of people to get through, and they don't want to disappoint. It's such a like a half and half situation. So I don't envy that at all, mate.
We need to bear this in mind when we get big, mate.
We'll just get a checkout system. Like, next, cool.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, now for some reason I've been painted ready for hand-to-hand combat. It seems, which doesn't surprise me with how busy it is here.
I'm war paint on.
Exactly. We've got the war face set up and everything. I went for the most intimidating colour of all, lilac. This is like the craziness.
That's the queue?
Yeah, that's the queue for meet and greet. That's the queue for the queues to meets and greets. Like, mate, that is like a long line.
Wide?
Oh, fucking hell, man.
I've got fucking all sorts in here, mate.
Fucking hell. That's like a fucking Swiss Army bag of shit when it comes down to filmmaking.
I'm just going to throw it, right, cut it, and that's going to land there, and then we're going to...
Just do the jump cut, mate, jump cut.
Hi.
Nah, it's alright, as long as it's on camera.
If we die, it'll be on camera.
Yeah, that's the best motto. Do you know what? I have no idea how I'm gonna hold on to this fucking thing, man. Like, I'm gonna have to invest in a wristband for this, because this is too fucking risque. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna try and jam it in. Oh shit! Oh my god! This is where you get all the views, man. This is where you see how many people come to Summer in the Sea every year, man. Oh god! Mate, this man fucking vlogging with his DSLR. Man has got balls to have a DSLR on a ride like this, man. Oh fuck it. That's good. That's good, man. This is like the most tempting stall all around here, man. Like, it's just diabetes in a stall. It's too good, man. I'm definitely tired of the Saturday event with the amount of people that are either sitting on the floors or queuing up for food. I can full-heartedly say I'm glad I actually came to Friday's one instead of trying to do all this stuff on the Saturday, because okay, I can give you one good reason why the queue for the meet and greets is pretty much the reason why. Crisp tennis. So, change of plan. I'm gonna head over to the yacht and get some drink, because since it's free, I might as well indulge. Plus it gives me a chance to catch up with the guys and have a chat. And plus it's not as fucking hot on the yacht than it is here.
Reception.
Now this is Master Wong. Now this guy is a walking meme. He's a legend.
Playing with cockroaches and snails. You want to see it? Trust me.
So, if you like some wild stuff and wild shit, then check her out. How wild. Look at that. Nice.
Wild.
I haven't been up here for a long time. Now it's grown so well. Look at that.
Look at that. It's good.
Fucking hell, man. I love it. I love it. Look at this. Later.
Dude's a fucking legend, man. Absolute legend. Being on this yacht is probably the closest thing to luxury I will ever experience for a while. 10 out of 10.
Listen.
Wait.
Okay, come over here, people. Listen. If some guy, a dirty bastard, like this, you can't hit them. Well, you can't hit them because you're going to smash your face in. So,
I'm going Insta Live.
What you want to do?
I'm just going to go Insta Live.
How you get away? Don't. Did I say to you, listen? Don't touch him because you're going to get smacked in.
Twist the ball. Twist the ball.
Go!
Do it.
Go! Get away! Go! Get away!
Okay, yeah, I get it.
You do exactly the right thing, but you made a big mistake because you don't use your waist. Okay, grab beyond again.
Twist.
Grab it, Tim.
Twist.
Quick, hard.
Right, guys. So
In public. Come on, you fucker. Come on. Go.
guys, we're on YouTube and subscribe.
So easy.
Don't let go.
My arm's going dead.
That's it.
I'll hold it for you, mate. There you go.
Yeah, you hold my arm.
This is teamwork, right? Networking, you know.
Yeah, networking and all that.
This is for the entire fucking weekend, mate. It's me.
Fucking all this for.
Yeah, she's done.
Mate, Master Wong is a legend. This guy, I wish he was like my uncle. And then we got the good old Liam over here with the sophistication of the wine.
That's just been finished. Got to get new one of them.
Gotta get a refill.
Go over, search Life is a Dream, because it is, on all social media platforms. Go subscribe, check out my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat is Liam234.
This is fun. You see what I mean? This is fun. Because when you started doing stuff like that on YouTube, you can do anything. You got someone.
Brandon Rogers. Brandon like Brandon Lee and Rogers like Mr. Rogers.
Mate, my fucking camera has been recording for God knows how long, so you guys have just had nothing but like well, actually no, you probably won't, because I will have cut it. But you were in my pocket, so you probably recorded a bunch of audio of God knows fucking what. And I don't know. So, I mean, I could head back to the convention. Because convention don't shut. It's 20 to 8. It shuts at like 9. You know what? I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you when I make a choice. So, what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to charge this camera because it's like on no battery. I'm going to charge my phone because my phone is probably dead. Go through all the updates, Twitter notifications, Instagram notifications, shit like that. Go through all of it and get it all dusted and updated and shit. My plan is I'm gonna go back to the con and see out till 9 o'clock, get it all done and dusted. Get a chance to say goodbye to Kieran and Leona. I really want to say her name's Leona, but it could potentially be wrong, because I feel so bad because I've not caught up with them all fucking day. I've been hanging around with the Broadband TV group, so I do feel super fucking self-conscious about that. So I'm gonna go back and say goodbye to them properly, and also bump into other people, see what's going on. So see you guys there.
Well,
for those of you who don't know, I wish to clarify, his name is not Brian. His name is Ryan.
Right, update. Well, coming straight from the concert, we're now in a railway station. Now, the reason why is I somehow lost Kira and Neve. Somewhere, I lost them. But I bumped into, weirdly enough, Kira, the amazing artist, link, hashtag, name usually, one of those, who I bumped into and would have a word with about maybe doing a commission for me in the future for merch. But I bumped into her, and I thought, fuck it, I'll just walk back and have a chat with her while I'm on the way back. So now I'm on my way back to the hotel for probably a night's sleep and offloading all this content. I've got like half a battery left. But no, I'm well impressive today. I've done well. I was quite happy I bumped into Kira. She's absolutely amazing. And she's starting uni as well, so I gave her like all the tips as a seasoned veteran. So let's go home. Right, I am gonna get myself sorted. I'm gonna get all my shit together for tomorrow. I'm heading back tomorrow. I'm not sticking around for the last day of the convention, but next year I will, and I'll learn to do that more often. But yeah, I've fucking loved this year. It has been such a good convention, man. So I'm gonna chill out. I'm watching a bit of good old Ants Canada. He's a really cool guy because it's literally a channel where this dude collects ants, but he's completely down to earth and he's really fascinating. It sounds so fucking weird, I know, but it's weirdly relaxing to watch it. It's like my ASMR ants. Yeah, I'm gonna chill with that and have a good night. There's someone having sex in the other room. Someone's obviously had a really good holiday. I'll probably make this the, this lens has always got something on it, man. I don't know, because I don't feel like there's going to be enough content for this to be its own vlog. So, I may make this bonus filler. We'll just call this the I just whacked my knee. Oh, my knee. At the minute, I'm chilling with noodles in a cup. It looks fucking disgusting. And a good old coffee. Oh, hell yeah, man.
I absolutely adored my time in London for Summer in the City. I absolutely fell in love with the convention. The people were absolutely amazing and I would love to do it again next year. Thank you guys for watching this vlog and the journey that has been the Summer in the City vlogs. If you like it, rate, comment, and subscribe to the vlog playlist. For any of the future vlogs that I do, make sure to use any of the hashtags seen below in the description and hit that bell icon when you subscribe. From me, ZeeWhitewolf, goodbye.